Hello everyone, welcome to my biology classes. So we were doing animal kingdom. So we already did class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 1 was cyclostomata, class 2 was chondrichthyes, class 3 was osteocytes. And in this video we are going to do with class 4, that is amphibians. So this amphibians falls under the division of Gnathostomata, means which the animals which contains the jaws. Okay, this jaws. Then it is under the subclass that is called tetrapods, means they are having limbs. Okay, they are having limbs. So let's see the characteristic features of this class, amphibians. So in the first point it is saying they are aquatic as well as terrestrial. They can survive in both aquatic and terrestrial environment. Two pairs of limbs are present, therefore it is called tetrapods. No, two pairs of limbs means two pairs of legs. Skin is moist, skin is very smooth and moist, it is not dry. Scales are absent, no scales present here. Here respiration is through gills and can be through skin also, or can be through lungs also. Three mode of respiration you can see in different animals. Okay, generally they are having three chambered heart. Is it clear? They are poikiothermic, means cold-blooded, means they can't can't regulate their body temperature. Therefore, it is called poikiothermic, that is cold-blooded animals. Okay, then moving on to the next slide, it is saying tympanum represent ears, means there is no external ear present like us. This is our external ears. So tympanum, a hole like structure is present that represent the ears. Okay, then here the alimentary canal, urinary tract, reproductive tract open into a common chamber called coacle, which is connected to the exterior. So all these canals are connected to one chamber that is called coacle. Is it clear? Okay. Then moving on to the next slide. See, this figure is showing tympanum, which represent ears. So this, see, this is the tympanum. Okay. And frog, since I am showing frog is an amphibian. See, you can see moist skin, very moist skin. Can you see its skin? And it does not have any kind of scales. Okay. Is it clear? Then moving on to the next slide. Here the body is divided into head and trunk. So it has been divided into head region and trunk region. Okay. Then it is saying they are oviparous, means they used to lay eggs. Then sexes are separate, male and female are separate. Okay. Then there is external fertilization takes place, means outside the watery environment there is fertilization, not inside the body. Then development is indirect, means there is some larval stage. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Understood these points? So indirect development will see there is some larval stage, this tadpole stage. These are the eggs of a frog. Okay. So there is indirect development taking place. So this is the life cycle of a frog. Then moving on to the next slide. So these are a few examples of amphibians. Frog we have already discussed. Salamanders, salamanders, these are salamanders. Ichthyophus, that is called limbless salamanders. This is a limbless salamander. Is it clear? So that's all for today's discussion. Thank you for your patient hearing.